Hey, this is John coming to you from Careywood Hollow, mid-January 2024. Happy New Year. The snow that we got is kind of preventing me from working on much stuff. But I've gotten some stuff done though, surprisingly. Let's take a peek here. The tent is no longer gonna go there. I've got plans for that, and that's as soon as the snow's gone, I can start. This is where the canopy was. I cut down some trees, peeled them, burned them, put Australian timber oil on them. And so now this is clearly snowproof and windproof. I'll be able to mount the little misting system on it. So in the summertime, it'll blow cool water on you. May even get one of those burlap tarps they put over it for more shade. But yeah, I'm happy with the way this came out. It's better than fighting with that canopy and having to replace them when the wind destroys them. Anyway, a lot of deer track, a lot of wildlife have been out and about. Well, that's about it for now. Got more snow coming this week and need to get going on stuff once it starts going away. Click like and subscribe if you have any questions, comments. Put them down below. Happy to, as we get them. You guys all have a good day, and I'll post something in like another month or so when some of the snow hopefully starts going away. Thank you. Bye.